Hi everyone, Vanessa West here, Unit Leader with Avon and the Avon with Style team. Have you ever considered giving a discount to your customer or tried to create a discount on your invoice worksheet, but you weren't 100% sure of how to do it correctly? Well, today I'm here to show you the different ways we can apply discounts to your customers' invoices. Let me begin by saying that I have two profiles on my web office address book. One of my profiles was automatically created when I signed up with Avon and registered on youravon.com. You have one too. You'll notice this profile has your name in all caps. Since this account is already associated with your Avon account, this is the profile I use when I'm ordering sales tools, demos, samples, books, anything that I need to help me generate business for myself, such as customer incentive gifts, items out of the book that I'm using to make my own samples, or anything I need in order to conduct business, as all of these items can be used at tax time as deductions for your Avon business, provided that you sell $5,000 or more in 1 year. The second profile is one I created that is spelled normally. You'll see this one here spelled normally. Okay? And this is what I use if I find something out of the book that I like, or if I see something on sale that I'm going to need in the near future, like face scrub, shower gel, hair treatment, etc. If you're having some challenges with money management, or you feel you're not making what your commission level says you should be making, then this may be a great way of finding out where your commission is going. So here we have an invoice worksheet from campaign 6. You'll notice that I have items on it from campaign 4. That's because campaign 4 was probably the best priced campaign for these items, and it was going to be the last time I would find them at these prices. Just like I look for customer specials or special pricing for my customers in a book, I also make sure to do the same for myself, because it'll be the lowest current price minus my 40% discount. Now, I have a 40% discount that's guaranteed because I am a President's Club member. So keep in mind that any type of discount you apply for your customers is something that you will be compensating for out of your own commission. So you may ask, why would we do that? It may sound a little crazy, but we do it for several reasons. Driving your sales, obtaining new customers, incentivizing your current customers, trying to reconnect with customers who haven't ordered in a while, maybe as a gift for your customers during their birthday month, perhaps during tax time, and the list goes on. This is an investment in your customers, but it doesn't mean it has to break your bank because you won't be offering a discount that is greater than your commission. So we have a few different discounts we can give, and I'll go over them one by one. The first one is the tax rate discount. So on this particular invoice worksheet, if I'm going to offer free sales tax on this order, all I simply do is take the tax rate, delete it, and update my invoice worksheet. Okay, we'll see here the tax amount is set to 0 now, and we preview it on the invoice. This is how it'll show. If you're going to do a sales tax free order for your customer, then you might want to highlight this so they can see it. Now we have a non-taxable section here, and you may be asking, well, why can't we just click on the non-taxable for each item? The truth is you could, but this is what happens. You'll see that there is still some sales tax here. If you're wondering where it came from the service charge. The service charge is something that is taxed. So 8% of our 75 cents is 6 cents. So now we're back to square one. One of the other discounts that we can offer is a $5 gift card. If you haven't seen my videos on tailgating, feel free to email me so I can forward them to you. This is an email that I sent out in January. what I do is when I'm tailgating, I offer a $5 gift card to the customers who provide me with their contact details. And this is how I would deduct the $5 gift card from their invoice. First, I add lines. And since this order is campaign 6 order, and the campaign field is mandatory, so I put 6 in there. This item number field is not mandatory, but I like to put zeros across the board there. And for the description, what I use is $5 gift card applied. Excuse me, let's try that again. Okay, you see the end, $5 gift card applied. The quantity is mandatory, so I place a 1 in that field. Then I'll skip over 2 fields to the price, and I'll add negative $5. The other thing I make sure to do is click on the non-taxable box. The non-taxable box ensures that the discount they're receiving is $5 and no more. If I don't click on the box, then it will be, the discount is going to be $5 plus tax, and that means that the tax is also coming out of my pocket. So we're going to update the invoice and then preview it so you can see how nicely it shows up on the invoice. So see it down here. You'll see the taxable amount was $20.97. And this little star here indicates that the item was not taxed. So anytime you click on the non-taxable button, it'll have a star next to it, which means the item wasn't taxed. Okay, let's refresh this. So we're back to square one. Another discount we can offer is a percentage discount. This may be good to use for first-time orders, helpers, or you can give a discount to everyone who orders in a specific campaign, and their discount could depend upon their order size. So the discount might range from 5% to 20%, and the bigger the order, the bigger the discount. I can offer a 20% discount because, of course, I make 40% guaranteed on my orders, except for the fixed earnings items, which is anything in the book that has a star next to it or a diamond next to it. Okay? If you are in the 20% commission range, then you might offer, discounts in increments of 1%. So 5%, 6%, 7%, 8%, 9%, and 10%. Okay, but for me, I offer discounts from 5% to 20 in increments of 5%, and the bigger the order, the bigger the discount. So as an example, for an order of this size, I might offer 5%. So I simply add a 5 in each box under the adjustment percentage column. From here, we update. Okay, we can see that the tax is still the same at $174, and the dollar amount, the total amount, is actually less than it was before. Let's preview the invoice. So we can see the additional savings on the right. Okay, and then also less discount there. So that's how you would do a percentage discount. Let's refresh this back to how it was. Okay. Now, you might decide that you'd like to give your customers a free gift. So I might, for example, say free shower gel with an order of $30. So in this case, I would add lines, and I'm going to use, well, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put campaign 8 here, campaign 10, and I'm going to use this item number here, since it automatically populates in the description category. Okay. Now the shower gels are normally $6, so I am going to place it on their invoice, and then underneath it I'll do the exact same thing, and then I'm going to enter negative $6. Now if you'd like to pay sales tax on this item, feel free to leave this non-taxable box unchecked. If you don't want to pay sales tax and that's going to be offered, if that's going to be something the customer is responsible for, then we will check the box. In this case, a free gift is a free gift. I'm just going to leave it blank. So when we update this, we'll see that the dollar amount is still the same, tax amount is still the same, and they can see their free gift on their invoice. You can even write a little note here that says that they received a free gift. Okay, so you can see that we added it and then we deducted it. This is great for your records so you can see what you're giving out to your customers. Now, you might ask, well, $6 is a lot. Well, in campaign 7, the natural shower gels were on sale for $1.69. And with a 20% discount, the shower gel will cost you $1.35. And with a 40% discount like mine, it will cost you $1.01. So I think that's worth the investment, don't you? Because the full price of the shower gel is $6, the customer is essentially getting a gift valued at $6 simply by placing a $30 order, and it's not really costing you $6. If you can look at it this way as well, they are essentially getting a gift that's 20% of their order size. So that's not too bad, right? Now let's delete this. We're going to go back to how we were. Now in campaign 7, I did a special called the Twin Special, something that I learned about. The Twin Special was, in campaign 7, Avon offered us representatives triple dollars on all beauty items. There were over 100 pages of beauty items that were qualified as triple dollar award sales. So what I did was anything from those pages that the customer ordered, I essentially bought them a second one free. If you're going to do something like this, keep in mind that the second one free would equal a 50% discount. So you would really need as many customers and a large enough order to make sure that the discount is worth your time and money. So let's just pretend that all these items were qualified. So when I ordered the items, if they were ordering one, I would actually order 2 of them. If they ordered 2 of them, I'm doubling it to 4. Okay? So for this particular order, there's 2 of everything. So if they're buying one and I'm giving them a second one for free, what I would do is I start entering the first item number. Except for the quantity, I'm putting 1 because I'm only going to discount them 1. And I also make sure to click the non-taxable box because I'm not paying for the tax. I'm simply giving them the free gift. Okay, once you're done with this, you update the invoice. Alright. And this is what it will look like. The tax amount will still be what it is. They're paying the tax on every single item. And then let's preview the invoice. What I like about this is that the invoice actually shows you deducting the product once again. You can say, well, what if I just put 50% in the adjustment percentage column? Well, the problem with that is that it doesn't look like you're deducting an item. It simply looks like a discount. And although it's essentially the same thing, keep in mind that some customers have a difference of opinion just by the way something looks. They may not see it that way. So if you're offering a free product, you really want to show that you're giving them a free product. If you're offering them a discount, make sure they see the discount. If you don't, this could wreak havoc with your customers. So these are the discounts that I've shared with you. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions on this tutorial, feel free to call or email me or text me at 562-619-1697. My number will also be displayed at the end of the video. Have a great Avon day.